Hey ladies, and welcome back to Fiercely Feminine. Today we're going to talk about how to create a feminine grooming routine to look polished and put together. A polished and put together appearance is a reflection of self-care and attention to detail, both of which enhance your femininity and confidence. Establishing a consistent grooming routine helps you feel your best and present yourself with elegance and grace. Here's a step-by-step guide to feminine grooming and maintenance. 1. Start with a strong foundation. Healthy, glowing skin is the foundation of a polished appearance. Invest time in a skincare routine tailored to your needs. Daily cleansing. Wash your face morning and evening with a gentle cleanser. Moisturizing. Hydrate your skin to maintain a smooth and supple texture. Sun protection. Apply sunscreen daily to prevent premature aging and protect your skin. Exfoliation. Exfoliate weekly to remove dead skin cells and keep your complexion radiant. Treat specific concerns. Use serums or treatments for issues like acne, dryness, or dark spots. 2. Maintain beautiful hair. Your hair is your crown, and caring for it is essential to looking polished. Regular wash and condition. Cleanse your hair based on its type. For example, every 2 to 3 days for most people. Use a conditioner for softness and manageability. Styling. Keep your hair styled neatly, whether you prefer curls, straight hair, or a chic updo. Avoid unkempt ends by regularly brushing and setting your hair. Haircuts and trims. Schedule trims every 6 to 8 weeks to maintain healthy, split-end free hair. Deep conditioning. Treat your hair to a deep conditioning mask once a week to keep it shiny and nourished. 3. Flawless hands and nails. Well-groomed hands and nails speak volumes about your attention to detail. Clean and trimmed nails. Keep your nails at a tidy length, filing them into a classic shape like oval or almond. Polish or buff. Opt for neutral or pastel nail colors or simply buff them for a natural shine. Moisturize your hands. Use hand cream daily to keep your skin soft and hydrated. Cuticle care. Gently push back cuticles and apply cuticle oil to maintain neat nails. 4. Smooth and soft body care. Taking care of your body ensures you feel feminine and confident. Maintain your preferred method of hair removal like shaving, waxing, epilation, or laser for smooth skin. Exfoliation. Use a body scrub or exfoliating mitt weekly to remove dead skin cells. Moisturizing. Apply a lotion or body butter after showering to keep your skin soft and hydrated. Fragrance layering. Use a subtly scented body wash, lotion, and perfume to create a lasting, elegant fragrance. 5. Dental care for a bright smile. Brush and floss daily. Brush your teeth at least twice a day and floss daily. Whitening treatments. Use whitening toothpaste or strips for a brighter smile if that's what you desire. Lip care. Exfoliate and moisturize your lips to keep them smooth. A tinted lip balm adds a polished touch. 6. Perfect your makeup look. Subtle, well-applied makeup enhances your natural beauty and keeps you looking fresh. Base makeup. Opt for a lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer to even out your skin tone. Defined eyes. Use mascara or lash extensions to open up your eyes and consider a soft eyeliner for definition. Blush and highlighter. Add a touch of blush and highlighter to create a healthy, radiant glow. Lips. Choose natural or rosy lip colors that complement your skin tone. 7. Maintain your wardrobe and accessories. A polished appearance isn't just about grooming, it's also reflected in how you present yourself. Clean and pressed clothes. Ensure your outfits are clean, ironed, and well fitted. Timeless accessories. Pair your outfits with classy jewelry, a signature handbag, and polished shoes. Matching hardware. Coordinate metals in your accessories. For example, gold jewelry with gold belt buckles. 8. Posture and presence. Polished grooming also includes how you carry yourself. Practice good posture. Stand and sit with your back straight, shoulders back, and chin slightly up. Gentle movements. Move gracefully, avoiding rushed or abrupt actions. Eye contact and smile. Maintain eye contact and offer warm smiles to exude elegance and confidence. 9. Fragrance as a signature. A lovely fragrance adds the finishing touch to your polished look. Choose a signature scent. Select a feminine, elegant perfume that reflects your personality. Apply strategically. Dab fragrance on pulse points like your wrists, neck, and behind your ears. 10. Consistency is key. Polished grooming is about consistency. By making these habits part of your routine, you'll naturally exude a refined, put-together look every day. With regular maintenance and care, you'll feel confident, elegant, and ready to face each day as the best version of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos about all things femininity, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay fiercely feminine.